the session after lunch is a not so healthy session to be talking in. I guess Gaurav has given us a very good start, and it was really heartening to hear from Gaurav that a traditional marketing company are also looking at bigger budgets today. And as Gaurav started with, I also wear the hat of ad sales at Yatra, so we are open in case you have any ads. Yeah, absolutely. So what I'll try and do is, I'll try and take you quickly through the Yatra stories and try and share in terms of learnings that we've had in the last few years that we have been there in the marketplace. I'll share with you especially how we started because I believe a lot of you are entrepreneurs or have dreams of becoming entrepreneurs. So since I work for a startup and we got it up from the ground, so I'll share some of the things that we did 3 years back. So this is just very quickly just doing some numbers in terms of what we are, where we are today. Yatra has more than 1 lakh page views per day, 1 million registered users, more than 1,000 crores in sales, over 600 employees, and over 10 offices in 10 cities, plus various awards and recognitions that we have been able to get for ourselves over the last 3 years. Quickly getting into what happened when we started in August 2006. I remember August 1st, 2006 when we launched our website. And just to share with you what was the market scenario at that point in time. So Make My Trip, Clear Trip, Travel Guru had a head start. They had already launched in the market. People used travel sites to look up fares, but not booked. So what they do is, since these were one-stop shops, they would come to a travel website, look up the fares, and then probably go back and book with an airline website. Low-cost airlines had made people getting used to the booking online process. There was Air Deccan who was leading the charge, plus of course IRCTC was fueling the same too. But there was always a skepticism that we had to look at security of the transaction, credit card limits, credibility of the company. So these were all the factors that were staring in our face when we were starting, and it was a huge challenge. So the task at hand, last to enter the market, how to make a dent. That was one of the big challenges. 0 to 60, I got it in no time. I had no time for that. And biggest mandate was land grab, which is go out and get traffic onto the website and get it going. You don't have time. Marketing plan was based on the fact that category, the travel category, is traditionally a print-driven category. The mantra was do print, print works. And when it came to us, given the task that we had at hand, we couldn't do what everybody else was doing. We had to cause some disruption. And what we said is, do TV, TV works better. Do online, online drives traffic. So it was a two-pronged strategy that we had. One, to use television as the branding medium and use print to drive transactions and engagement. Sorry, to use online to drive transactions and engagement. So what was the online plan? Very simple. Use search engine marketing. At that point in time, primarily the main search engine available was Google. Now there is Yahoo, MSN, Ask. There are others also that you can go to. But at that point in time, 3 years back, Google was the biggest. Even today, 90% of the search business is through Google. But at that point in time, Yahoo and all were literally non-existent. Plus, we also invested in display advertising, which was primarily being used to add on to the TV activity. So we used various channels available. One of the problems with the Indian market is there are very few publishers. It's a country where the number of sites are not so many where you can go and advertise. Now it has been increasing. I'm talking about 2006 when there were fewer websites and you usually went to the top websites and advertised there. Plus we used emailers in a very big way because emailers not only help you talk about yourself, plus it helps you capture database as well. Immediately coming to the results, within less than a year from about 6,000 visits on the website, our visit numbers went up to 60,000, 10 times. And from 80 tickets a day, we were selling more than 2,500 tickets a day. Today we do more than 7,500 tickets a day. So it's been an exponential rise that we've seen. Yes, there was no base, but even then, today when I look back, it makes me feel nice that within a couple of months, And when you look at our advertising and marketing primarily started in October, September, October, and that's when you start seeing the peaks starting to happen. And since then we have been growing. Now just to share with you, given having given you some sort of a background as to what are the things that we did, basis that there are learnings that we've had in the last few years. So just putting them together in terms of what I feel are the benefits of online marketing. So what I've done is I've put traditional marketing, the way we look at marketing, and try to compare it with how we look at online marketing.